You are wondering why you are staring at the towel, yes? What is underneath this towel? Hey guys, it's that Backstreet. That was my weird attempt at like genie voice kind of. This is my shelf of wonder. You want to know what's inside? Okay, I'll tell you. You ready? Better yet, I'll show you. You ready? You want a peek? Oh, too bad. Too bad. Because, you know what? I don't think I'm popular enough, you know? Yeah. Huh. What do you think you guys could do to help me? What do you think? Comment. There's that. Rate. Subscribe. I will tell you I have many wonderful things behind the show. And I'll tell you what's gonna be coming up next. But guess what? You don't get to see them. Okay. Yeah. So basically, I need 3 comments on this video and 1 like. Only 1 like. And then I'll show you what is behind the Towel of Wonder. Okay, since this is kind of a short video, I'm going to show you the iPhone that I use to make my videos. It's not mine, it's my dad's, and it doesn't have a SIM card. But yeah, there it is. I have Google, Jokes, Surviving High School, Text-Free, Jokes, Messages, but that was when it was a phone, Calendar, Photos, Age My Face, Air Bear, ABC News, All Recipes, AP Mobile, Aquamoto L, At the Zoo, Baby Pocket, Unicorn, which is adorable, Baby Adopter, A Doodle Fly, Adobe Ideas, Camera, YouTube, Maps, Jokes, Draw for Free, Discover Disney Movies, Dino Maker, Diner Dash, Do Not Press, Don't Have Nails, Doodle Devil, Doodle Dino, Doodle Fish, Doodle God, Doodle Buddy, Dogs, Devil something. Gerbo Avatar, Katy Perry, Makeup Girls, Makeup Maker, Mom Madness, Magic Echo, Monkey Free, Monster Pet, Mermaid, Sky Burger, Marshmallow Maker. I'm just doing the things that Barbie Fashionistas, Fat or Skinny, Fish Free, Fishies, My Diamonds Go, What Does My Name Mean, Fortune Ball. Game of Life, School Box, Monster High, I'll be looking for that next video. Glee Trivia, Glitter Draw, Glue Free, Glow Dog, Love Fishy, Glow Dog, Google Earth, New York, Handwriting Quiz, Horse Frenzy, How to Draw Harry Potter Spells, iFunny, got 40 stuff, Pets, Jolly Car, Gem Cartoon, Science, Side and Happiness, or CNH, Aquarium, Coffee River, Pet Playpen, this is Player Piano, Pocket Frogs, I play a lot, Pottery Light, Pumpkin, Quick Jokes, Quick Whiz, not Quick Quiz, Violin, Quizzes, Riddles, Sculpture, bunch of stuff. So that was it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, I need 3 comments on this video. You can just say hi. What's up? How's it going? And I need 1 like. It's not like it's gonna hurt you. It's not like I'm a bad person. You guys don't like me? Oh yeah. And I thought this is a 4-legged starfish I made a long time ago. So that's it. It's very wondrous, isn't it? Okay, bye-bye.